Morena whanau, we're here at IKEA. It's almost as big as an airport. Even coming into the car park, they even created 5 extra lanes just to accommodate this new building here. So another shopping adventure, here we go.
Wow, I guess you can buy all the stuff inside this room and make your room look like this. Very interesting.
This is what's amazing about this country. They even have places to eat while you shop. Not just any normal places. $1 breakfasts. Out on one of the couches, you know, it's in the store, let's use it.
We're just gonna have a sleep.
We are at the home of all the yellow buses.
Yes.
This is where they live.
It's their home.
Those who came to Canada with us remember these yellow buses. Back at the home of the yellow buses. Whee!
Biometer.
Look at them all.
In all their yellow glory. In all their yellowness.
Whee!
Went on my own, took the car to go get some new jandals. Look at this, after 5-6 years. They're pretty worn, and I think I might have to say goodbye and just school me, you know, went really out of the box. Really out of the box. Got me some of these handles. That also fit. And they've got grip!
Where are we going?
We're going to a place that doesn't take any private bookings. It's called Loveys. But this morning, Mr. Clarence, all he did was name drop his own name and to the owner, and they says, yes, we'll book you at 6:30, even though nobody else can. So it should be exciting. We are at a restaurant called
Loveys.
It's a barbecue place. Now we're going to the casino.
Where are we, Michael?
We're at the casino. Club Regent Casino, right there. And we might be hitting up the valet.
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 Holy shit.
There's not a talk around here.
Beep, 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 beep,
We'll just beat that up.
beep.
He's got a serious heart on.
That's holy moly. Oh, here we go.
Hi, Della.
What's that?
I was going to say, look, he's doing.
Okay, we're in a casino. There with B-Red, Vicky, Melissa. Oh, and Nemo and his friends. Oh, look, we are in an aquarium. Just in the middle of the casino. There you will see Nemo. Oh, yep, this is cool. So what are we having, Toots?
We're having a Cornita Bahama Mama. It is quite nice though.
Just a little nip to say good night.
Pomari.
Pomari.